Germany is known worldwide for precision engineering. In this factory, accuracy is everything.
This is a German CNC mega factory built for ultra-precision manufacturing.
Advanced machines shape metal with microscopic precision. Every movement is calculated and controlled by software. These machines operate with accuracy measured in microns.
Automation allows this factory to run with minimal human involvement.
Machines communicate with each other in real time.
German engineering prioritizes consistency and reliability.
Component follows strict quality standards. Even the smallest deviation matters.
This is why CNC technology is essential in modern manufacturing.
CNC machining allows complex parts to be produced with repeatable accuracy.
Designs are translated directly into precise machine movements.
This setup allows multiple components to be produced at the same time.
Automation reduces handling errors and maintains consistency.
Each machine communicates its status across the production line.
Material handling is fully integrated into the automated workflow.
Clean and controlled environments help maintain machining accuracy.
Control is critical for precision machining.
are designed to operate continuously.
Data is collected and analyzed automatically.
Logistics inside the factory are optimized for efficiency. This level of coordination defines modern German manufacturing.
Once one cycle ends, the next begins without delay. Automatic tool changes reduce downtime and increase efficiency. Sensors detect even the smallest vibrations during machining. Robots handle parts with accuracy measured in microns. Systems prepare machines for the next operation.
These factories often operate around the clock.
Production goals are monitored in real time. Are protected immediately after production. Every machine is a powerful digital infrastructure. This integration defines modern European manufacturing. Automation allows seamless shift transitions. These components will be used in industries worldwide. This is precision engineering at its highest level. Outside, the world is quiet. Inside, precision never stops. The finished part begins its journey from here. Automation extends beyond the factory floor. German engineering powers industries across the globe. Precision, automation, and reliability define this factory.
This is the future of manufacturing.
If you enjoy real factory documentaries like this, subscribe for more inside stories of modern engineering.